Well, it's a day I've been waiting probably 2 or 3 years for, is to have my Jeep naked and ready to put on a top that can come on and off rather than the hard top, which I couldn't take on and off by myself. So let's get started putting on the Bestop Supertop, which has all the hardware and everything necessary to get this baby back in prime shape. Oh, I made it back with the Supertop. I've had this thing for probably 2 years, maybe 3 years. And like I said, it's just such a pain in the butt. What are you going to do with that top if you take it off? Because, you know, if you lean it up or lay it down or whatever, and it takes 2 or 3 people to do it safely. When I loaded it up with Lamonte, that was not safe. I mean, I had it, but it was a chore to get it off of there. Now here's the top. There's all the hardware. I went ahead and just got a Supertop because it comes with all the hardware necessary to put the top on. Here's the instructions. I'm going to read through those just to make sure that I've got a good idea. It says you need safety glasses. I probably won't need those. Alright, I got my helper with me. He wanted to know if it was a rainbow top, and I said no, it's tan. Alright, I'm going through the instructions. These are the old pivots for the soft top that was on it that really I never used. I put a hard top on it right away, so I got to get this cover off. And this isn't factory, so I got to take off the seatbelt deal. Awesome. So once I get this off, then I'll be able to get to these holes. Nice. Alright, so that's what I'm looking for. I got to take this off, and then I got a bracket that goes here. Awesome. This is the factory one, and this is the Bestop one, and you can see that the holes are smaller, and it's got adjustments here. So let me do the other side, and then we'll be moving along. I'll put a link down below, but a good set of torque impacts makes this job much easier. These are all 1/2 inch, and I've got an adapter on the Milwaukee impact for a 3/8, and they work great. Holy crap, it got so hot in the driveway I had to move all the parts over here because they were burning our hands. So next is the rear bow we got to put together. The instructions are actually kind of crappy on this thing. I wanted to see, I put this front bar on, and this is the top bow side piece. And it actually goes right through that hole there on this side and the other side, and then kind of mounts up there. But I was kind of unsure from the instructions. Let me get that put on. Okay, so that's on. That's awesome. It's on both sides. Next is install the door pivots. I got one side on here, goes into this hole, and goes up around. Super duper. Now let me put the other one on. Okay, I got both of these on, and then this arch bracket goes right here. We'll see what's next. I've got the rear tailgate mounts on both sides, put those on. Alright, I got all the superstructure up. I'm gonna have the 2 straps in the back right there. So it's ready for the top to go over. It is hot, and I am sweating like a pig. However, that's the best time to put on the top because it's going to stretch out the most. So it's good and it's bad. I gotta hydrate. Start on that side. Man, this thing is tight, let me tell you, to get it on there. I think this may be a little bent. I need to probably just raise it up so it can pop up a little bit on both sides. But it's on. Looks good. Got to put the side windows and the back window in, but it is tight. I like it. Well, that's it. We got her on, and it is tight as a tick. Let me tell you. But that's good. It's going to stretch a little bit. I don't know how you would get this thing on if it was super cold, but I'm tickled with it. It looks great. And guess what? I can take it off when I want to. Alright, I'm super sweaty, but the top is on. About 2 or 3 hours of wrestling with this thing. It is tight as it can be. Now, it will stretch and it'll be easier, but one thing that I am happy about is that when Jennifer and I want to go riding with the top down, we can do it ourselves and just drop it and have fun. Anything else? Can you think of anything?
It was a pain.
It was a pain, but we got her done. So, top is on the Jeep. Next thing is to paint it. We'll start stripping all the stuff down here in a short amount of time. As soon as I get the Toyota running, that seems to be the theme of the day. But it's one less thing to have to fool with, getting rid of the hard top and get the soft top on. So anyway, I'm going back around to get me a beer, I think. I'm David and Liam from the Redneck Garage. Keep
turning wrenches.
There you go.